ArcelorMittal is the leading French steel producer and the second largest in the world. The Mardyck plant is an extension of the Dunkirk plant, where it mainly receives its raw material, coil. These coils are intended for the industrial and automotive market. The quality of the coils must be impeccable. Therefore, we must pay particular attention to the storage conditions in the shops. The two leading causes of rust are ambient temperature and dew temperature. So, the Mardyck site decided in 2019 to install destratification fans in its shipping halls. The objective was to recover the hot air from the ceiling and bring it down to floor level, thus increasing the ambient temperature and lowering the humidity in the air, which reduces the risk of rust. To reduce moisture entry, Airius Destratification fans have been installed at each door. These air curtains activate automatically as soon as the door is opened and up to 10 minutes after the door is closed. Airius has adapted to our production constraints. We operate 24/7 in 3 shifts. The Mardyck site is one of ArcelorMittal's ISO 50001 certified sites. We are committed to improving the energy performance of our facilities and reducing our energy consumption. It is in this context that the implementation of the destratification fans and the management of heating was launched in 2019, in partnership with Airius and with the ambition to reduce our energy consumption by 26%. On average, from January to August 2022, we reduced our energy consumption by 64%. The system provided by Airius allows us to have real-time monitoring of temperatures, the condition of doors, and above all to receive alerts by email. Access doors for trucks and wagons are points of entry for moisture. It is therefore important to have special monitoring of these doors to prevent moisture from entering the halls. The floor and ceiling probes allow us to regulate the heating and also to start or stop the destratification fans. This project has brought us not only energy savings, but also product quality savings. We will continue the project with the Airius solution and extend this to other shipping halls.